There are other market luminaries like Radhakishan ji. He is the rarest of rare gem. I'm sure you had a fantastic vantage point to see him grow as well. What have you learned from him?
He is actually an original investor and an original thinker. Like, he figured out all the concepts of investing which we read about from Warren and Charlie and all these Peter Lynch's of the world, and in a very desi earthy way. Like, for example, he would say कि इन्वेस्ट करना है तो ये धंधा क्या पैसा फेंक के बनाया जा सकता है. So basically, can you throw money at a business and build it or disrupt a business? So, which he's basically talking about moats, but he figured out moats in his own way. Okay, one thing which I have heard only him say and nobody else is, क्या मैं ये स्टॉक को P देना चाहूंगा? What is PE? PE is actually giving someone more than what he's earning. And the third thing which he always keeps in his mind, never articulates, but will you lend money to this promoter? अगर तू उसको 5 करोड़ रुपया लेंड नहीं करेगा तो उसका 5 करोड़ का शेयर क्यों खरीद रहा है? So basically that test which he internally came up with was very clear. His investing style, like, very innovative or very original again. He had two portfolios. He had one portfolio in his mind, he had two portfolios. One was made of businesses which had nothing to do with the government, which had very simple businesses, which were low debt or no debt, which were cash up front, and if possible, negative working capital. So, banking, insurance, Nestle's of the world, so consumer brands, and D-Mart or Jubilant. So these were the businesses which were his core portfolio. There were others which he called Barsati Medak. So those were to be sold at the first hint of trouble in the market. He was a very fantastic judge of the market, or is a fantastic judge of the market. So whenever he saw overvaluation, euphoria, blah, 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 that part of the portfolio went out. This part of the portfolio, come what may, he will not. So all these things are original to him.